Mastering Email Communication, Conquering URL Shorteners. Hello learners, welcome back to our ongoing series on mastering English language skills. Today, we're diving into the world of email writing, focusing on an exciting and highly useful aspect, using URL shorteners. By mastering this skill, you can make your emails more professional, concise, and user-friendly. URL shorteners are tools that take a long URL, the address you see in your browser bar, and compress it into a short URL. These are especially useful in emails where space is crucial, and too many characters might confuse or intimidate the reader. A short URL looks neat, and makes your email seem uncluttered and professional. As we mentioned earlier, a URL shortener helps make your email more reader-friendly. But the benefits don't stop there. URL shorteners also allow for 1. Space saving. Long URLs take up space, making your email look cluttered. 2. Neat appearance. Short URLs are aesthetically pleasing and make your emails look professional. 3. Link tracking. Some URL shorteners allow you to track how many times your link was clicked. Using a URL shortener is quite straightforward. Here are the steps. 1. Copy the long URL. You first need to copy the URL you want to shorten. 2. Go to a URL shortener website. There are several URL shortener websites. You would paste your long URL into a field on the site. 3. Shorten the URL. Click on the Shorten URL button. The website then provides you with a short, manageable URL. 4. Copy the short URL. Copy this new URL. 5. Paste in your email. Paste this short URL in the body of your email where you need to provide the link. Remember, some shortening services allow for custom URLs, which means you can create a shortened URL that gives the reader a clue about the content they'll find when they click on the link. While URL shorteners are great tools, it's important to remember some etiquette. 1. Provide context. Always explain what the link is about. Never just leave a shortened URL without any context. 2. Check the link. Before you send an email, always check the link to ensure it's working correctly and takes the reader to the right web page. And that's it, folks. We've just demystified the concept of URL shorteners and explained how to use them effectively in your emails. We hope you found this lesson useful. Practice using URL shorteners in your email writing, and we're sure you'll notice the benefits in no time. See you in our next video, where we continue to unlock more tips and tricks for mastering English language skills. Happy learning!